Not sure if you heard, but Pinterest is a great platform in growing your business. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys how to use Pinterest for your business as a content creator. For all things monetization, blogging tips, growing your creative business, and helping you to do the very thing that you love unapologetically, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as I post a new video every single Monday. So the tips I'm sharing with you guys are quick, easy, just to give you some strategy going on your Pinterest business profile. And I'm going to give you a little behind the scenes so you can see it from my exact Pinterest profile on how it should look with the 3 tips that I'm going to share with you today. So the first way that Pinterest allows you to grow your business as a content creator is it allows you to build a targeted following. So we hear all the time you have to grow a targeted following, get your direct audience, get your niche site down to the people who are following you, want your products, services that you have to offer for your brand. And actually Pinterest allows you to do so. When you are setting up your Pinterest profile, you can really make it targeted because you can concentrate your area of focus of what your whole profile would be about and who you are looking to serve. Now, if you guys remember when I talked about in my video here, you can check it out when I talked about how to find your target audience. And one of the things that I talked about is who are you looking to serve? So when you're setting up your Pinterest profile, you can definitely already make that area of focus and who you're looking to serve by building your targeted audience. So let's take a look behind the scenes and I'm going to show you how that's done. So this is exactly what I mean by when Pinterest allows you to build a targeted following, because you can set up your profile from the beginning, just talking about what your overall profile is about. In my case, I have my brand name here. So if your brand name is not your real name, you could put your business here. And then I'll put what I'm about, monetization and creative businesses. So that's what I solely talk about. That's what my content is about. So when people come to my page, they're going to see this right off the bat, right? And then also you have your little description here, just like how you have your bio in Instagram, but you have your quick bio here that tells everybody who you are and what you do. So from the beginning, like I said, as soon as someone lands on my profile, they see that I help creative women monetize their passion and create a freedom lifestyle with the business you love. Take my monetize and matchmaker quiz, and then they know right off the bat, just from looking at my profile here, to go to ShanaelJackson.com. I have my email here and then my website here as well. So like I said, when you're creating your profile with Pinterest, it lets you put your name here. It lets you put all the information. So that's what I mean by allowing you to build a targeted following, because you're just creating, like, on other platforms, you letting them know fresh out the gate, what do you do, who you are, what can they find when they're here. So this is what I mean by building a targeted following. So the next way Pinterest allows you to grow your business as a content creator, because it's easy to recognize what works and what doesn't work. So what I mean by that is analytics, right? So we always hear about analytics, YouTube analytics, Instagram analytics, even Facebook analytics. So yes, Pinterest has analytics as well. And dealing with Pinterest is really easy to discover what is working and what's not working based on the pins you're posting. So you're able to see what's getting more traction, what's getting more engagement, who's doing more clicks, like just what you would normally look for with analytics breakdown. So that is exactly how you're able to do the same way as you will do on any other platform by looking at your analytics. And I'm going to show you how. Let's take a look. All right, guys, so this is what I mean by it allows you to recognize what works and what doesn't with the analytics. So let's do a quick overview. So you can see my numbers here within the previous 30 days. My impressions are up, my audience is up, engagements, engage audience. But I do have something that have been my top, right? So my best of has been the top board because that is solely focused on my brand, ShannonLJackson.com. And this is what I'm mostly currently post to, because right now I'm only like pinning my YouTube video content because I'm trying to grow my channel, right? So that is what I've mostly been posting is to this board, and you can see my impressions, my close-up, my saves, my link clicks, and then the engagement, right? So this is the heaviest board because this is the board that I've been focusing on the most. My Shannon L. Jackson board. And you can see here, this is all of my content. This is all of my YouTube videos. Trying to expand. So I've been just focusing on my YouTube videos to get more traffic to my videos. So that is my top board. So if we go back, we see Facebook is the next one with 1348 impressions, 21 close-up, 4 saves, 10 link clicks, engagement 35. Then content creator is next. So see, it lines up on what's heavy and what's not. And you can see as it goes down, see how we started with 6,000 impressions, and you can see the impressions are going down because I don't really share too much to these boards. So look, 1 link click, 4 close-ups, 0 saves, you see. So it quickly tells me what boards, what content is being recognized and what isn't. And I really just know that based off my own knowledge as well, because I know what I haven't been posting, what I haven't been focused on. And it even showed like my top pins, right? So you can see what pins like have been getting great engagement and what hasn't. Like my how to make money from your podcast is the top one because people want to know how to make money from your podcast. And this is like, these are my blog posts, guys. So this before I started my YouTube channel. These are actually my blog posts that are still getting shared, right? Look, this from June 2010. I'm sorry, June 10th, 2019, and it's still getting traffic. This was March the 29th of this year. And when I updated that one, so look, this was June 11th, 2019. So this is pure leverage on Pinterest, like all this traffic people are getting to see. And you can see some of my video pins here down at the bottom. So yeah, this is what I'm saying. Like it's clearly easy to see what's working and what's not. Let's do last 30 days. It show you a breakdown. Look, my monetizing, that was my last pin, my last video I created. Monetizing your personal brand as a beginner, April the 20th, 638 impressions. And these didn't get so many, right? Because I shared to the other boards. This was my blog post. And let's see, let's go down. How to master your morning routine. That's an old blog post that I shared. 3 impressions. So see, it tells you everything you need to know. All pins. Let's go to the ones from just ShannonLJackson.com. And that's mine, again, the top board just from my ShannonLJackson.com as I showed. So yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys, how you clearly can see what is working and what's not. Is this making sense so far? Go ahead and give me a thumbs up and like this video. And don't forget to share with your friends if you're interested or know someone who's interested in starting their Pinterest profile for their business. The last way Pinterest allows you to grow your business as a content creator is because you're able to talk about different topics without confusing your audience. I don't know about you, but this is huge for me because like I said earlier, we're always hearing about niche and targeted, and you have to talk about this. You don't want to confuse your audience. So on Pinterest, you have all the room to pin about different things, and it would not confuse your audience because you're building your Pinterest profile. And also with Pinterest, you're able to create secret boards. So some of this stuff, like if it's personal things that you like and recipes and crafts, of course that's not business related. So you can definitely set it up where you have that saved as a secret board and you can continue to do your personal pinning as always. But if you're like a brand in a business, of course, as we're talking about in this video, you can still post and pin different pins without confusing your audience, because Pinterest is a search engine, but you're also free will to post all things related to whatever you may like, business related. And I'm going to show you how I've done that on my exact Pinterest profile. So let's head over there and let's take a look. So this is what I wanted to show you guys, where you're able to discuss different topics without confusing your audience. Well, in this case, pin different topics without confusing your audience. So I'm going to go through my boards. So currently I have 43 boards. So I have my Best of Shannon L. Jackson, email marketing, branding, social media manager, webinars, SEO tips, podcasts, freelancing, e-commerce, membership sites, office inspo. You see where I mean? You could talk about everything: content creator, coaching, chatbots, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, business and entrepreneurship. Talk about blogging tips and resources, social media tips, making money, marketing. So all of these are pretty much business related, as I stated, business related and brand. But I'm able to pin just different things I want within these boards: personal development, affiliate marketing. I have inspirational quotes here because we know Pinterest is all known for that. Self-care, side hustle success. And these boards are actually a part of, I'm a part of the group boards here. So this is what I mean by where it gets fun. You won't get bored doing the same thing. You can do and post with all these boards because they're related to different things. And of course, you can have way more boards than this. And that's what I said, like, you can make it a part of your business and brand. So of course, I love talking about monetization and growing your creative business and blogging, but I also like branding and email marketing, throw in some SEO tips. Maybe I want to talk about how to be a social media manager, which I have blogged about a couple of times. So look at there. Those are my pins. And I'm able to share right to my board without the hassle, right? Without the feeling like, oh, I can't talk about this because I don't want to confuse my audience. They were like, why am I talking about social media management? So this is just a great outlet, guys, where you can get creative. And of course, I have been only focusing on my YouTube and my personal brand right now. So I haven't been as active, like I said, in the other boards. But if you want to get active and just jump in there and just try it out, try different things, you can do so. You can see it here clearly of all the different things I talked about. Look, side hustle success. I talked about how to start a side hustle. These are my blog posts. All of these here are my blog posts. All of these are my blog posts. Wow. And then I even share other people's content. But this is when I was heavy on it, right? Just sharing, just getting your information out there, getting your content out there. You can see the numbers here, the impressions, the views, the saves, the link clicks to your website. Just grow it. You have room and permission to do so on Pinterest. Like it's free will. It's free will pinning to the different posts. And I'm going to show you really quick where I talked about this secret boards. I have, if you see, secret boards. Only you and people you invite can see these boards. So I have my recipes, and then I talk about, I have a little post here for little ideas that I'm going to do with my creatives. Just screenshots. This is a private board that I'm a part of, but I don't have that many secret boards. But this is why I say you can just go all in and keep it private. You don't have to show anyone. So that's what I mean about the secret boards. But if you just want to talk about different stuff and then contribute, when you're a part of group boards, you can contribute, content, of course. Look how many pins this one has. Contribute, and then of course, if your content fits in, you're able to contribute and repin and reshare. That's how Pinterest works, if you're not familiar. But I just want to show you guys this. Definitely, you can talk about whatever by having a board for it and just talk about it and add the same content. That's all it is. Repinning, make sure it's related. Look, this is someone else's 19 creative mom jobs, so you can be your own boss. But most of it is mine. But definitely, want to reshare, repin. These are other blog posts. 10 perfect gift ideas for girl bosses. So that's why I say you can just really grow with Pinterest and expand your traffic and get your reach. I got my reach here at 18,000 monthly viewers. It was more than that, but Pinterest, my main source, like I said, right now are my videos. So that's what I focus on, and it goes to my YouTube videos. So I just wanted to give you guys an idea.
Interested in knowing how to monetize a blog?
What you can do to grow your own Pinterest profile for your business and how it can actually grow your business. Like, this is good traffic. Like, good traffic for your website, for your blog, for your videos. So you could get them on your email list, so you could get them as a customer, for your products, your services as a client. So definitely take interest and heed here with using Pinterest to grow your business. And that's it for today's video. I hope this made so much sense and gives you so much clarity on how Pinterest can actually help you grow your business as a content creator. I have something to share with you guys. So if you need help in getting your Pinterest profile up and started, go ahead and click the link below. I have included in the description a guide for you, a 6-step Pinterest guide to get your Pinterest profile up and started and running for your business, so you can use Pinterest to start pinning content to grow your business. I hope you're excited and eager to jumpstart your Pinterest game now for your business and get your Pinterest profile rocking and rolling. Drop a comment below and let me know if this video was helpful and would you like to see more videos on Pinterest. I hope you got value as always. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified. And I will see you guys next Monday.